Tonight, the president changing his schedule before heading overseas and going to Delaware to see Hunter Biden just hours after his son is convicted. Good evening. I'm Norah O'Donnell. Thank you for being with us. That moment of embrace captured on camera at the National Guard Airport, now named after the president's late son, Beau, who died of cancer in 2015. This trial publicly aired some of the first family's most painful moments with just 5 months until the presidential election. The president says he will not pardon his son as Hunter faces up to 25 years in prison. And it all started with this X on a federal firearms application in 2018. Hunter Biden claimed he was not an unlawful user of or addicted to illegal drugs. The jury decided that was a lie. CBS's Weijia Jiang is in Wilmington, and she's going to start us off tonight.
Hunter Biden left court today holding hands with his wife and the First Lady, Dr. Jill Biden, just after hearing the verdict. He stood in court, stared straight ahead, showing little emotion. After deliberating for just under 3 hours over 2 days, the jury found him guilty of 3 felony counts for illegally possessing a gun while he was addicted to crack cocaine and for making false statements about using drugs when he bought the firearm in October 2018. We spoke to juror number 10, who asked not to be identified. When you first got the case, how split was the jury?
We took a vote. And the vote revealed it was 6-6. It was a split decision.
He told us after combing through all the evidence, the jury was quick to make a decision.
The biggest thing that he did was lied about not being a drug addict and not using cocaine and buying a gun.
Several women in Hunter Biden's life took the stand during the week-long trial, which exposed the depths of Hunter Biden's drug addiction, including his former lover, Hallie Biden, the widow of his brother Beau, who said she found the gun in Hunter's truck near drug residue. Surveillance video showed her throwing it away in a dumpster. But legal experts say the most damaging testimony was Hunter Biden's own words from his memoir, Beautiful Things.
All my energy revolved around smoking drugs and making arrangements to buy drugs, feeding the beast.
Special counsel David Weiss, who oversaw the investigation into Hunter Biden, said no one is above the law.
Ultimately, this case was not just about addiction. This case was about the illegal choices defendant made while in the throes of addiction.
President Biden, who, after the verdict, changed his schedule so he could rush to Hunter's side in Delaware, said in a statement, "I am the president, but I am also a dad. Jill and I love our son, and we are so proud of the man he is today." Although Hunter Biden faces up to 25 years in prison, that is unlikely for a first-time offender. The judge did not set a date for the sentencing, but said it's usually about 4 months from the verdict, putting it just weeks from the November election. President Biden has said he will not pardon his son. Norah.
Weijia Jiang, thank you.